Hey contractors! In today's video, I'm going to share tips for how to effectively leverage Facebook to bring in more of the projects you want. Whether you have a Facebook page or not, you're going to want to listen in order to successfully scale your business to at least $30,000 monthly labor revenue, like many of my clients who participate in my program. My name is Rob. I'm the owner of Digital Elevation Solutions, and I'm here at a job site for one of my contractors. As you see, they're doing a kitchen. So let's get into it. The first step for you to do is to create a Facebook page for your business. You need this in order to have a presence on the platform. And so once you have that page set up, you're going to want to start sharing pictures and videos about your business, but you're going to want to be sure the content you post is the type of projects you want to get. Customers love the before and after content. Look, the simple truth is that you need to prove you're an authority to your customer audience, and that will help you close more leads. Testimonials, testimonials, testimonials. If you have them, display them. No reason to have them stay hidden in the background. Bring them to the forefront, screenshot them, make a post about them. Later on, you can leverage the ad ecosystem with the reviews. So, you have the Facebook page, you have the content. What do you do next? You're going to want to invite your friends and family to like and share your page, and get going on joining local community groups on Facebook, participating in conversations and offering valuable insight like I am in this video. Potential customers will begin to see you as an authority in your line of work and will call you to get an estimate. So I often get questions, Rob, what else can I do? I've done everything you said and I need more results. I like what I'm getting, but I need more. So let's move on then. Facebook ads. This is a powerful tool for contractors looking to reach new customers. You can create targeted ads that reach people in your local area who are interested in your services. I urge caution and ask you to work with professionals such as myself, as it is very easy to be manipulated by the program or Facebook platform. Lastly, keep up the good work. And if you want jobs like these, kitchen remodels and bathroom remodels, remember, with the right tools and a solid Facebook strategy, you can build a strong foundation for your business, just one like at a time. Thanks for watching, and please like and share this video if you gained helpful insight. Thanks.